Hello, my name is Michelle, and if this is your first video of mine that you are watching, thank you so much for watching. And if you've watched one of my videos before and you're watching this one, thank you so much for being here too. I love seeing all of you in the comments. Back last year in September, I wanted some new clothes, so I decided to try some of the subscription services, and I have been sharing all of the boxes here on YouTube if you want to check any of them out. I have tried 4 subscription services, one of them being Fashom that I have today. This is my 3rd Fashom box that I'll be sharing. I asked for a high-waisted jean and a graphic top. The stylist let me know that they actually only have 1 graphic top in their inventory right now, and I did pick it out of the styling session to be sent to me. And there was a high-waisted jean available in my preview, but I decided to not have that shipped to me because it was a jean that ended at the ankle, and those are just a little bit uncomfortable for me. I could have done a whole nother styling session or emailed my stylist and said that that wasn't going to work, but I was happy with some of the other options available. So in this box, I have a jean jacket and 4 tops. All right, let's get into this. Okay, with Fashom, you do get a note here, and included in it is your invoice that has the items that you had selected to be sent to your house, and then there are directions. Oh, this is cute. It used to just come on a piece of paper, and now it's a card. That's actually really nice. That is so cute. Okay, here is my bundle. Okay. This is a jean jacket from Just USA. I was really excited to see this pop up in my styling session. Just USA does have some more affordable jean wear, and I am very happy with the wash on this. I thought it was going to be too dark when I looked at it in the preview. All right, very happy with that. So this is from Papermoon. This is it's just called a solid top in blue. So I have actually received Papermoon in my Stitch Fix boxes before, so it looks like they're working with Fashom as well. I picked this top, has a keyhole in the back with a little gold button, because it looked like a great little work top, so we'll see about that. And I actually have a necklace that I just got from Stitch Fix that I thought would go really well with it. So maybe I'll try that on with it when I do the try on. This top right here, my stylist mentioned in my styling session note. She thought that I would really like it. So I decided to take a chance on it. It is called the Renee Distressed Short Sleeve Tee with Raw Cut Neckline. So there's lots of little tatters and holes in this. It is a very cute top, so I am glad that I got it sent to me to try on. This is one of those things that I'm not really for sure if I'm stylish enough to pull it off, but we'll see. This top I was really excited about as well, and the stylist said that she had me in mind in the note with this one. Renee short sleeve knit top, and it's so cute. I thought that this would be a really good work top as well. It's kind of like a tweed material. I really like it. And last top, here is the graphic tee that I asked for. I was kind of hoping for a graphic tee that I could wear hiking. I really wanted something casual, but cute, and to not be very expensive. And I thought that Fashom would be the service to ask for that, because they have some of the more affordable options out of all the boxes that I've tried that include a stylist. So this is the only graphic tee that they had in their inventory, and this is from Arty Style. Arty Style is another brand I'm familiar with from Stitch Fix, and their clothes seem to, run a little bit higher in prices. This is a $38 shirt. So, I mean, it's cute. It looks a little bit crop top. It is exactly what I was going for, but it's $38, so we'll see about this one. All right, let's get to the try on. Okay, here is the tweed style top. I think it's really cute. I love the length of the sleeve. This is my ideal t-shirt length for a sleeve. I like them to be, I guess this is a quarter sleeve length. When they're a little bit shorter, they're just a little bit uncomfortable for me moving around. I do wish it was a little bit longer. It's kind of a short top, but overall, very happy with it. I think it would go really well with a necklace over it, and it does feel nice, and I could wear this to work. And I haven't purchased any short sleeve tops really from these services yet. Maybe just one that I could wear to work. So this would be a good one. Here's the other little top that I thought would be really good for work. Blue. It has the keyhole in the back. This is an adorable shirt, and this necklace I got from Stitch Fix, and I picked this shirt out because I thought it would go really well with it, and I do think they go really well together. I do wish the sleeves were a little bit longer. I like that longer sleeve like that was on the tweed shirt. I just find those really comfortable, but I do like this scalped detail right here. I think that's really cute. I don't own anything in this color, but I really do like this color. So yeah, this is a big contender for me. All right, here is the little grunge style top, and I know I'm not gonna keep this. I feel super uncomfortable in it. This is a lot bigger than I thought that it was gonna be, like judging the preview, and it is pretty sheer. You can see the tag there. I think that this would be really adorable for someone with this kind of style. Just not for me. I won't be able to wear this for work, and I'm kind of hoping for pieces that I can wear to work or for casual. So next item. Here is the graphic tee that I received, and this is exactly the comfort level that I was going for. I could easily make this like a hiking shirt. A little bit crop top-ish if you were wearing a low-waisted jean. But this is a $38 shirt, so I'm not for sure if I love it enough for 38 bucks, but I really do like it. Right, and last but not least, we have this Just USA jean jacket. I really like the color, the wash on this, and I like the length. I really do like it a lot. I don't have the buttons unbuttoned, but it's kind of green-gray here at the bottom. Okay, so let's go over how much these things cost. The entire box is $170. If I buy 3 items, I'll get a 25% discount, which would knock off $42.50 off the whole box. So the whole box is $127.50. My favorite items were the tweed shirt, the blue shirt, and the jean jacket. I really like the graphic tee that I requested too. I just am not in love with the price point, a $38 kind of casual top. But you know, with the 25% discount, I would knock it down. So I don't know, I'll think about that one. The only miss for me was the kind of distressed short sleeve shirt. That open patch was just a lot larger than I thought it was going to be based on the preview. I really liked this box though, and I definitely think I'm going to keep at least 1 item, possibly 3 items. Let me know what you think about these clothes in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!